Hey beautiful people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I haven't uploaded in like 2 weeks. I think I skipped like 2 weeks without uploading. I've been feeling under the weather, and look at what happened to my nose. I don't know what happened, so I hope it gets better, but it is getting better. It was worse than this, but yeah. And then please don't forget to subscribe below. Of course, don't forget to subscribe below, like, and leave a comment. So I miss talking to you guys, but in today's video we'll be spicing it up. Yeah, so I'll be doing a pre-poo video where I'll be using aloe vera and oils, right? So I have to wash my hair, but I'll separate. I will divide these two videos because it's gonna be so long if I have to wash my hair and do this pre-poo thing. So I'll show you in my next video how I wash my hair. But anyway, for my pre-poo, I will use fresh aloe vera. So I already cut my aloe vera. I already cut it. So this, we need like the juicy part in the aloe, like that inside part. So I already cut it in half. So it looks like this. Yeah. So that's the inside. So yeah, and oil. So I'm gonna use my growth oils from African Pride. That's what I'm gonna use. I'm using this as my pre-poo for the second time now. So you can see, yeah, I use so much. So yeah, but anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Let's start with this video. I missed you guys, but I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And yeah, this is how it would go. So I'm gonna begin by unraveling my hair. So I do this every night before I sleep. So it's my sleeping protective hairstyle. So I'm just gonna unravel it, and then, so if you didn't do this hairstyle, well, yeah, you'll have to section your hair. So you can section your hair the way you want to, and then after you've sectioned your hair, grab the aloe vera and apply around the perimeter of the section. After that, divide or part the section into smaller parts so that you get the aloe vera in between the hair also. So, and then you apply in between. So make sure that the aloe vera is evenly applied on your scalp. So you'll have to open like smaller sections to get the aloe vera in there. And then when you're done, grab your oils. So what I normally do is I start from the ends and then work my way through to the root. So I apply from the ends to avoid breakage or hair damage. So I make sure my hair is all moisturized, and then just apply while you're doing it. Detangle your hair using your fingers, and then so remember, aloe vera helps with hair growth and also prevents reduces dandruff. And then now you can massage your scalp also, which also stimulates your hair growth, more blood flow to your scalp, your head. And lastly, I will twist my hair when I'm done with the section so I can start another one. So as you can see now, I'm twisting my hair, and as you can see, my hair looks moisturized than the rest of my head. And yeah, so I'm just gonna fast forward this video because I'm doing the same thing over and over again. So remember, apply around the perimeter of your hair, apply Aloe Vera around the perimeter, and then section your hair into smaller parts so you can apply the Aloe Vera in between your hair. And then after that, grab some oil, work your way from the ends to the roots while finger detangling with your fingers, and then twist your hair and move on to the next one. So here is another slower motion of how I'll do it. Remember, you first apply around the perimeter. So grab your aloe vera, apply around the perimeter of the section. part your hair and apply in between, so you get the aloe vera evenly spread onto your scalp. Grab your oils, working your way from the ends to your roots. Apply your hair, and while doing this, remember to finger detangle so that it's much more easier to wash your hair. You won't have to detangle your hair when you're washing. And lastly, if you still have more aloe vera, I'll apply mine around the perimeter of my whole head, because there's never enough of aloe, so you can apply as much as you want. The more the better, I think. So yeah, you just keep applying like I'm doing right now. I just keep applying around the perimeter, so make sure all my edges are covered up. Yeah, as you can see, there it looks like this. So yeah, I'm gonna just cover it with a shower cap now, and I'm gonna wash my hair tomorrow, so I'm gonna sleep overnight with it so it dries, you know, and all the juices go into my hair. But other than that, it's easy. That's how we do it, basically. So yeah, that's how. Let the moist go in, all the juices and everything. But anyway, thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. So stay tuned for the next video where I'll be showing you how I wash my hair. Yeah, something like that, like how I'll wash my hair, products I'll use for washing my hair. So stay tuned and see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment. I love you guys so much. And I hope next time I'll be looking better. My nose will be that sad. But anyway, I love you guys so much. See you in the next video.